Mindfulness is easier than you think. You've washed dishes 1,000 times, but have you ever felt the soap bubbles? The truth is, we spend 6 months of our lives just zoning out, scrolling mindlessly, driving home on autopilot, or staring at spreadsheets like they're hieroglyphics. But here's the twist. Mindfulness isn't about silent retreats or incense. It's about reclaiming those lost moments while your hands are literally in the sink. Let's turn daily drudgery into mini meditations. No apps, no cushions, and definitely no chanting. We've all been sold this idea that mindfulness means sitting still for 30 minutes, breathing like a yoga instructor. Spoiler, that's like saying you need a 5-star kitchen to make toast. Presence isn't a place, it's portable. You can practice it while stuck in traffic, folding laundry, or, yes, even during your 3rd Zoom meeting of the day. Let's ditch the pressure and unpack 3 embarrassingly simple steps to sneak mindfulness into your routine. Step 1. Focus on your breath for 1 minute. Your breath is a cheat code, not for hours, just 60 seconds. Set a timer, or count slowly to 60, and breathe like you're ordering coffee. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. No need to clear your mind, just notice the air moving in and out. If your brain wanders to your grocery list, no guilt. Gently tug it back. Think of it as a brain reset button. Pro tip, do this before checking your phone in the morning. You'll feel less like a zombie and more like a slightly caffeinated human. Step 2. Savor daily rituals. Turn chores into joy. Yeah, I said it. When you sip your coffee, actually taste it. The bitterness, the warmth, the way it feels like a hug for your insides. When you pet your dog, notice how soft their fur is, how they lean into your hand. These tiny acts train your brain to show up instead of check out. Hate folding laundry? Try this. Unfold one shirt, feel the fabric, and pretend you're a robot learning humanity. Absurd? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Step 3. Label emotions without judgment. Name it. Don't blame it. Stressed? Say, there's stress. Angry? Hello, anger. This isn't woo-woo, it's science. Labeling emotions cuts their power in half. Think of it like introducing 2 awkward coworkers. Brain, meet frustration. Frustration brain. Now let's move on. No drama, no spiraling, just acknowledgement. Try it next time your Wi-Fi buffers. Impatience, I see you. Carry on. Let's recap. 1. Breathe for 60 seconds. Coffee orders count. 2. Savor one daily ritual. Laundry robots welcome. 3. Label emotions. No therapy degree needed. Mindfulness isn't another chore. It's a micro habit that slots into the cracks of your day. If this helped, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you're done with autopilot mode. Subscribe for more No Guru life hacks. Until then, your breath is free, portable, and always with you. You got this.